why somebody put outside? For what? Because before
By the way, si ano the manager before they say Mr. Now, patay.
yeah, but already.
Hmm? Why?
Why? Because it's
She don't
already
want-
matanda.
Yeah, he don't want to breathe, no?
Yeah,
She tired to breathe.
Tired, yes.
That's why he stopped to breath.
The what? The ano?
Stop.
Stop to breathe.
He want to stop to breath na.
Ay, si Ate Susan, nandiyan pa man pala.
Still alive.
Still alive.
Alive?
Naitil mo, Susana.
Why you said she will kick? They already kick her out, but why she always surrounding there?
Because he still have utang.
And then what is the concern of
Oh,
utang?
sweat already.
Ano naman yun, Jer?
Kaya nga, inisip ko na. Sweat na, that's why I wonder because it's
Huwag mo muna ipasok dyan.
Kaya nga, dalhin ko muna sa bahay. I want to clean up first. Because it's raining, raining. Oh, sorry.
Okay, you see Mr. Law before? You see? Did you see him?
Which one, Mr. Loud? The one that
The owner of the planet?
they walk like this?
Oh, look, nag-ano na siya, basta abito.
Uy, what happened?
Ay, ano na, Jer?
Basta.
Ay, di ko na. Anuhin mo na lang, tapuhan mo.
Basa man kuya, oh. Basa.
Kasi baka dito yung dati basa.
Oo, kaya nga nilagyan namin ni Mami dyan before ng ano. Kaya nga.
This is before?
Before, oo, long time ago. Before, we put Mami there because this is I from at home. No, during the renovation, I
Yeah.
bring her because I don't want Mami to see her.
What is this?
Gucci.
Gucci?
Until I come back, I go back home. And then Mami said, I must put under because sweating always there. So that's why. So, give me it. I clean up. Must clean up to clean up first na. Because it's sweat. Must,
This one can clean up?
yeah, must clean up.
Can clean up?
I try to clean.
Ikaw lang nagawa nito, Jer. Sarap, Jer.
Because if the leather is original,
Yeah.
it's not damaged, right?
It's not become easy to cook.
Yeah.
The original. That's the reason behind the screen.
That's the reason. Malabahan ba yan, Jer?
Hindi, linisan ko lang ng ng water. Basa also. Sweat also.
Ay, labot. Yung dati na pinalitan to. Di ba dito ka?
Hindi, wala ako dito.
Si ba yata.
Ano yun?
Last time.
Last time we changed this one.
Change na. Daw maayo. Is good the English.
It's not translator.
Translated? Not translated?
Okay.
From my mind.
From my mind. So that means your mind is okay.
Yeah, it's working.
It's working.
Working?
Mm.
Wait, the one who walked like this?
Mm.
The one that is not the owner.
What is that?
That is Koreana. Kuya.
Koreano?
Koreano. Alex.
Sa asawa Pilipina?
Filipina, nanay.
Si nanay.
Oh,
Yung
nanay.
is not because original leader
Yes.
is not easy to clean na because
Basain mo nga yung damit.
doon na lang sa bahay.
This one after clean, give to Tita the shirt, okay? You go home and then wash and then bring on Saturday, okay?
What is that?
The shirt because branded Gap.
Hala, sayang naman yan, Jer.
Labahan mo nga after that. He give you.
Pangit na.
Asan ang pangit ang damit mo?
Levi's!
Why this one before she
Sikwat
got
ayaw ba? Sikwat gidya, sikwat gidya. Ah? Sikwat
And
gid.
then the Tommy Hilfiger also.
Ano?
The Tommy Hilfiger house.
Pinaus.
Tita, what is the brand name?
Titayawan.
Wait, tell me na the brand of Tommy, you know?
I tell you the brand.
This one
Tommy?
also, Bano give me this one.
Sayang na.
wash the store. But no water at home today.
Still?
Yeah.
Then how you...
Because yesterday, no, just only for the washing.
For the toilet have?
Have.
Huh?
Kasi na ano ba?
Then why don't
spoken.
you... Why don't you go to the toilet and wash the dishes? Yeah?
I don't wash dishes.
Why?
That's why later I wash the dishes. It's 6 o'clock. If the water
Then how
going
you...
up.
Going up?
Yeah.
Then how you wash
And
yesterday?
the
No?
sun is
Yesterday,
sunny side up.
yesterday still have water because it's raining. Yeah, no sunny side up yesterday.
Ah.
So it's only raining. So the people cannot working.
Cannot working.
Oh, it's raining.
But can walking.
Can walking.
So that's why go away. Basa mo.
Wala naman ang pakialam amo. Tulad sa amin.
Ay, sino basa o. Ako.
Baho?
Bako tayo. Daw, how many years din ako?
Bakit din mo kasi hindi inano dito?
Hindi kasi akala ko may ano, don't have anything in downstairs. Downstairs? No, down.
No, have the Indonesian plaza downstairs.
Before mommy put the like this
Like
ba?
this, like this?
Oo. The skin.
Presidente.
Before mommy put the like this,
Oo.
and then
So that's
cannot
why,
go.
yeah, that's why the
water cannot
go up.
Go up?
Oh, it cannot go up.
Cannot go up.
Yeah. So don't put a maybe can have also
This one?
Oo.
Meron na, pero yan hindi pa hindi pa pinalitan, basa na kasi basa man dito.
Hindi okay pa kasi pinalitan nga namin ng
Why? If I put that one here, still the water go
Yeah,
up.
oo. Because basa
Basa, oh.
Basa ang
Why basa-basa here?
Because
Maybe
somebody
Wait there?
the
neighbor,
neighbor, the neighbor, ano? Yeah,
but they are
half.
half.
But can still be na, even half.
Oo.
Oh,
Oo,
then
basa.
how?
Ang basa gid jud niya.
Ilatapon mo na
It's
yung
like
ano mo.
tubig. Daling ko. I wash this one manini dust bag.
Ang bag, Armani, ang laman, Gucci.
And then the wallet is Charles and Kate.
Yeah.
Inside no money.
No, it's not Charles and Kate.
Basta, baho.
Chloe. That my wallet, the bank, mommy sell to the Indonesian Manol. But she said, no, it's not original because the name sent by Chloe. And then she searched in the Google. The Google did not tell her. And then, so that's why she did not buy.
So
And then,
mommy give you.
yeah, mommy, during my birthday, mommy gave to me. And then I said, oh, mommy, really? I said, yes. And then mommy, very good because this is Chloe, Chloe. Why Indonesia don't want to buy? Because she said this is a sent by Chloe, but that is a Chloe.
Chloe.
So that's why she I said, thank you so much, mommy. Yeah, so nice. The pink wallet.
But I never see you carrying wallet.
Because the money.
Oh, it's just miss. Huh? Already how many minutes? 8 hours.
I make 12 minutes.
And then?
So you have
You have another.
to advertise.
12 minutes? Must
Yeah.
be 12 minutes.
Yeah. 12 to 15 minutes.
And then you're studying the YouTube,
Studying?
Yeah.
studying the interpreter mind, right?
Yeah, how to vlog.
How to vlog.
Yeah.
Where you study?
Huh?
Where you study?
At home.
At home?
Kuya, vlogger na siya, kuya.
Vlog.
Pero kung may $18 mo?
Still, at least you have money.
Huh?
At least you have money, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe after that, how many months I'm mayaman?
Mayaman, mayaman. And
Huyo ka
then,
na. Huyo na kami.
Huyo translator na. You find another translator.
and then you will not recognize us
Yeah, because I'm mayaman, I walk like this.
like this.
Yeah.
And then, like this.
Yes.
Tita, what will you eat tonight?
Hmm?
The dinner? Fish again?
Why always fish?
Fish again? Tonight? The
Tonight?
dinner? The dinner?
Dinner? Yeah.
Fish? Everyday fish?
Everyday fish. 3 times a day.
3 times a day?
Yeah. Morning,
Fish.
lunch, and dinner.
You eat red rice?
Excuse me, how much is this?
$50 आते.
Yeah, we eat red rice in a
Less
kind
calories?
of rice.
Less calories?
Yes.
Red
yes.
rice? Less
How many,
calories?
how many calories less? How many calories less?
99%.
Kalokohan? Kalokohan.
Wala man tarong ko na storya.
Storya, kuris.
Kuris.
Yeah. That is storya. Storya, kuris.
No, serious talking.
No serious talking?
Yeah.
Why, Tita, you never reply on GC, huh?
Because you always laugh na.
So what do you want? We kakayin?
Yeah.
Because I'm the one reading na.
And then,
You are the one doing it.
we don't read.
Huh? You don't read.
We just write.
Yeah.
Yes, you know, our day cannot pass if we don't message in a GC, you don't know?
Now you know.
You know last time, I
Thank you.
wonder why.
I wonder
One
how
day, 2 days, you did not messages in the
The GC?
the Marites GC.
When?
Last week, Jem, no?
Last week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
And then si ako.
Yeah, this one kuya, the brand. By Tio.
Tiyo,
Kaya Chloe.
Louie. Honeymoon. Agoy.
Hey,
Tama na to.
kun
Maresing dito.
Doon yun.
Maggano na ka maglakad, Jer. Oy, na ano ka? Maresidente ako dito.
ay, okay, now she said she's busy here, na?
Oh.
Every day. Okay, let her to go Philippines and then we...
I'm busy. I'm more busy because I
Yeah.
don't have internet. Yeah,
No
Don't
internet there?
disturb to
Yes.
to Cargador
I did not buy the SIM card.
Why?
because their love is firing.
Firing?
Don't
Their life is
disturb me
firing.
because
Yeah,
Well,
you're making firing.
Firing? You wear this and then go? Huh?
manol ka.
It's not firing, it's ano yung tawag, inferno?
Ay, ano to, inferno? Anong inferno ay?
Firing, why?
Inferno? What is inferno?
You put the fire on the oil.
Stay lang doon. No, kalokohan again.
Kalukuhan.
You know
Istorya,
what,
kuris.
what do you call the what's the call the one
The
is
call the-
heaven and the one
Heaven and the...
and
no?
the fire?
Hell.
Hell.
Heaven
They are
and
going
the
to
fire.
hell.
No, heaven and the fire.
Pugar nga mga English.
The love is firing.
Firing?
They are going to hell.
When Lylin go to Philippines, they go to the hell.
Hell?
And then,
Hellwood.
Wait, no internet and then how?
No,
Cargador?
they have internet na. How come?
no, just only Wi-Fi if my auntie house have a Wi-Fi. But if I'm going somewhere,
Don't have?
oh, unlike anywhere somewhere out there, it have so
Then,
many public.
But,
Wi-Fi?
but
Wi-Fi.
still use the message na.
No,
Makasakit ka naman eh.
I don't have the SIM card.
Even you don't have,
No. You
Tita, when you go home, you buy the SIM card also?
yeah?
Yeah, if
Yes.
you have a SIM card, okay. But me, I did not buy the SIM card of Philippines.
Mabili ka na, Jer.
Excited! Excited! Hindi ko magbili ng SIM card. For what? I'm already together again.
Oh, you contact na
Yeah!
Cargador.
No need to contact. No need to contact. Just to follow. Follow, ano, like this. The magnet, na? The magnet.
No, he knows already my time now. Then he pick up me.
Oo.
So,
Di pa nga, doon ka ba sa kanila titira?
oo.
They will go in the charter, eh?
Wala.
Charut.
Paano na yung resident?
The follow what? The basin?
Sige, married na, kargador.
Married?
Yeah.
Really?
Si Juan, resident here.
She one resident here.
Kakabaw.
Maganon-ganon ka na nga mamaya, magkakadoon ba?
I put her the name. Ano ilagay ko tong pangalan din.
Firing.
Firing cargador.
Kakabaw.
Why you have to put the name?
I just put
Bye-bye guys! Thank you for watching
Our kalokohan.
our
si
kalokohan.
Mami, ganyan si Mami.
Ang mga English namin na kalokohan.
Bobo.
Kung